The skeleton system. It includes bone, cartilages, and joint. It is primarily designed for more effective production of movement by the attached muscle. Function of skeleton system is: first, it forms the rigid framework for the body. Second, it provides protection to the delicate organs like brain, heart, lungs of the body from external injury. Third, it forms a kind of lever for the body movements. Now the division of skeleton system. Skeletal system is divided into axial, 80 bones, and appendicular, 126 bones. Now first talk about axial skeleton. It lies in midline, a trunk part of the body. Skull consists of cranium, face, hyoid, and auditory ossicle. There are 8 cranium bones. First is frontal, occipital, sphenoid, ethmoid, parietal, and temporal. Face contains 40 bones, in which there are 2 unpaired and other paired. The 2 unpaired are mandible and vomer, and paired one is maxilla, zygomatic, nasal, lacrimal, palatine, inferior nasal concha. 1 hyoid bone situated on the front of neck, and 6 auditory ossicles. First is stapes, incus, and malleus. The second part of axial skeleton is vertebral column, consists of 26 bones and 33 bones in children. The upper part of vertebral column is cervical. There are 7 cervical vertebrae, 12 thoracic vertebrae, 5 lumbar vertebrae, 1 sacral vertebra, and 1 coccyx. Sacrum and coccyx are the false vertebrae. In children's or in juvenile phase, there is 5 sacrum and 4 coccyx, but it fused to 1 sacrum and 1 coccyx when it comes to adulthood. And the third bone in axial skeleton is sternum. Sternum is in the front of chest cavity. Then fourth one in the axial skeleton is ribs. There are 24 ribs, 7 true ribs, 3 false rib, and 2 floating ribs. Now let's talk about appendicular skeleton. It consists of 126 bone. It is a movable part of skeleton away from the midline is appendicular skeleton. First thing is shoulder girdle or pectoral girdle. It consists of clavicle and scapula. There are 2 clavicle and 2 scapula. Next part is the upper limb. Upper limb consists of 2 humerus, 2 radius, 2 ulna, 16 carpals, 10 metacarpals, and 28 phalanges. Then appendicular system consists of hip bone or pelvis. There are 2 pelvis. Then in lower limb there is 2 femur, 2 tibias, 14 tarsals, 10 metatarsal, 28 phalanges, 2 fibula, and 2 patellas. There are total 16 carpal, 8 carpals on each wrist. So the names of carpals are scaphoid, lunate, triquetral, pisiform, trapezius, trapezoid, capate, hamate. And mnemonic to learn carpal is: she looks too pretty, try to catch her. And there is 14 tarsal, 7 and 7 on each ankle or foot. The first is talus, calcaneum, navicular, cuboid, medial cuneiform, intermediate cuneiform, and lateral cuneiform. Bye.